Mr. Humphreys, how are you, sir?
Good, good. How you doing?
I'm doing well. I want to talk to you about PayPal, old school PayPal. Oh my God, PayPal.
Yeah.
Been around for a million years in internet time. Making some moves, man. And so where do we think it is going to, what do we think it's about? We're going to get into this. I'll let you talk about Clear real quick. So you go ahead.
Yeah. So anybody new to ClearCryptos, new DeFi project just launched in October. They're looking to really shake up the space and doing things big, gearing up for the next bull run. So if you want to learn more about what they're building, like their fiat on ramp and off ramp coming soon, analytical tools, all of that information is at clearcryptos.com. Check out all the links down below, and hope to see you in the Discord. And make sure you're subscribed to this channel too, because that's another big thing we're doing here, the education.
Another big thing. All right. Well, this was your, you brought this to the table, so I'm going to let you take the lead here. This was interesting. I saw this come out the other day, and I know you've covered this on your channel, right? So what's going, what's going on here? This is interesting.
Yeah. So PayPal, they actually got into crypto pretty early. They got into crypto in 2020. Their fees are kind of outrageous. So that's one thing to consider right now, but this should definitely help it in this partnership with MetaMask to offer an easy way to buy crypto and transfer and move crypto around. I think this is going to really be a great educational tool for people to learn more about DeFi, to learn about MetaMask. You know, we talk about all the time, man, how do we get more people involved in DeFi and teach them how to use MetaMask? Well, integrating it with PayPal is a great way to do that because a lot of people know what PayPal is.
Right.
And a lot of people use it. So, yeah, I'm excited to kind of see what this looks like. And there are some people out there saying, hey, this makes MetaMask now more centralized and what have you. Listen,
Nah.
I hear that point, but I think crypto is going to have to become more centralized, whether we like it or not. It's going to become more centralized. And if you want more adoption in crypto, unfortunately, I think centralization just comes along with it. I don't think there's any way to avoid it.
So, interesting you went down that road. Okay. Because here's the thing. I'm going to tell you straight up. I saw this. I know I know who PayPal is. I know who MetaMask is. By the way, if you don't know what MetaMask is, it is a decentralized wallet. That's effectively what it is that you can have on your computer or on your mobile device, and it's mostly used to trade. To Zach's point, in the DeFi space, if you're gonna trade, if you're gonna swap like Ethereum or stablecoin for another crypto on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, that's what MetaMask is.
Yeah.
So Zach, here's the fundamental. Go ahead.
The fundamental difference too for people out there: when you hold your money on an exchange, you're not really the owner of that crypto.
Keys. Yeah,
you don't hold the keys.
Yeah,
and if it's on MetaMask, you do. So
okay. So here's an interesting thing. I was curious. You talked about the trading aspect of PayPal. When I saw this come across, I immediately thought of on-ramp and off-ramp of getting fiat easier into crypto and out of crypto.
That's another great point.
That's what I thought. That was my, oh, it's PayPal. Everybody knows it, blah, blah, blah. It's easy to move money, fiat in. By the way, fiat is currency like dollar, just in case you didn't know.
And PayPal will be integrated into the MetaMask app, it sounds like. So
you see where I'm going with that?
Right. Yeah, that's big.
And to me, that was the big thing. And I'm not saying, it's interesting. You talked more about the trading side and making it easier, but I guess I'm saying that, and I'm asking you, is it to me, that's the big thing. PayPal, the PayPal integration with MetaMask is fiat in, fiat out.
It's a great point. Yeah, no, I didn't mean to kind of skip over that, but you're 100% right. I think that's the first step. And
but is that the bigger deal, Zach? Is that the bigger? I'm asking.
Probably because it makes it easier. It's that ease of access. But I like that ease of access then leads itself into learning more about crypto, learning more about DeFi, understanding the difference between holding your crypto on MetaMask and but you're right. I mean, integrating the PayPal app on MetaMask is something everybody has done before, essentially, right? Pay with PayPal. Like that's popped up on your computer and you're like, okay, yeah, PayPal is an option for payment. I'm already logged in on my computer. This is easy, convenience.
Yeah.
So
interesting.
I think it's like a cyclical thing that just is good for
Well, it
crypto
goes to the
adoption
heart.
and ease of
Yeah.
access.
It goes to the heart of something you and I've talked about on our channels a ton, in the fact of mass adoption. One of the biggest things holding back mass adoption of crypto is something like this, something that people are used to using, i.e. PayPal or Apple Pay, whatever, right? And giving them an easy way to get money in and get money out. You and I've been doing this for years now, and truthfully, it's still a pain in the butt to
Oh yeah.
move money into crypto or to move money out of crypto, and fees and all this random. It's just it's
3
painful.
or 4 steps where it could very easily be one. Yeah,
It's painful, dude. And
I agree.
and you get to the point where you're like, I don't care how much fees I got to pay. I just give me my damn money,
Yeah.
And by the way, on a different note, Clear is doing something and is making massive strides in this area as well. Can't talk about a lot of what the specifics, but they're doing something here as well to try to from on ramp, off ramp,
The
and I
on-ramp's
think
already live. Yeah.
on ramps live. You're right. The fiat is working inside of the ClearCryptos swap as we speak, and I've used it. You've used it. It's cool, but off ramp is almost as big of a deal. I mean, yeah, don't get me started. You know how I feel about that. So painful.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right, we're gonna end there. If you're interested in ClearCryptos, links in the description below, and definitely subscribe to the channel. Drop a like, and look at the other content. A lot of other content creators making content for you here on the channel to help you navigate crypto. See ya.